Alright, we are at home. Earlier I wanted to open the box by myself, but the staff said that they need to open it personally so they can check the phone if it is working right before they give it to us and take it away. So what we have here, it says that Southeast Asian SIM cards only. Let's read what's inside. Now I'm going to read to you how to unlock the phone so you can use it with another SIM cards. SIM cards outside Southeast Asia. So it says here, Southeast Asian modeled. This product should be activated with a SIM card issued from a mobile operator within Southeast Asia. Countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Laos. To use SIM card from other regions, a cumulative call over 5 minutes must first be made with the SIM card from Southeast Asian operators. So there's your instruction. It's time to open the box. Here you can see the specifications of the smartphone. You can check the specifications in the video descriptions, or you can actually search the full specifications of the phone through search engines or directly from the official website of Samsung. Here in this small white box is a free phone cover. I'm sure it's made of plastic. Let's take the phone from the box and remove the protection. Here it says Infinity U display, dual camera, 4000 mAh battery. So this is really good. Then let's try to turn on the phone. There you have it. And here we have the charger. It's a Type-C charger. Let's try to put it together. So there's your charger. Then there is the headset. Well, I hope this headset works perfectly with Spotify music. And last but not the least, the pin. It helps us to eject the slot for memory card and SIM cards. So on the left side of the phone, we can see the place where we can eject the memory card and SIM card slot. Let's try it on. So there you have it, the memory card and SIM card slot. It's a dual SIM phone. It's really nice. So I'm really happy with my purchase today. I hope I will enjoy vlogging with this new phone, Samsung Galaxy A30. Now it's time to play around. Let's see what's inside the phone.